How to clean Windows C drive without installing any software. Most people miss these 3 hidden temp folders, and skipping them slows down your computer over time. Watch until step 4 for a command you've probably never used before. First, click the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Run. Open the Run app. In the box, type temp and press OK. This is where the junk hides. Inside the folder that opens, click any single file, then press Ctrl+A to select everything. Now hit the delete key. Boom, instant cleanup. Keep watching because the next folder is even bigger. Don't skip this. Repeat the run process 2 more times. First, type this command. I've put it in the comments and press OK. Then repeat and type prefetch. In both folders, use Ctrl+A then delete. If a file won't delete, just skip it. That means Windows is using it right now. Almost done. Close those folders. Now search for Disk Cleanup in your taskbar. Select your main drive, usually C. Then click Clean Up System Files. Check every single box, especially Recycle Bin. That's where most wasted space hides. Click OK and let Disk Cleanup finish. Your PC is now lighter and faster. Do this once a month to keep your computer running like new. Hit subscribe for more speed tricks and drop a comment if you want me to reveal an even deeper cleanup method.